We are in unincorporated Antioch, Illinois, in the northern tip of Lake County. We have a vegetable farm going on here. You know, we're a regenerative, no-till vegetable farm. We also do gourmet mushrooms, honey, microgreens, poultry, a lot of different leafy greens essentially, and some baby root veg. Production has taken place on about 3 acres of vegetable production, and we just added 47 acres. So now we are getting more so into, you know, a lot of more permaculture, perennial type systems and grazing livestock and stuff like that. Typical day is wake up, water the microgreens growing under fluorescent lights, go feed the chickens, give them water, you know, collect eggs, wash eggs, and adding cattle, sheep, and pasture-raised pigs, all in just managed grazing. Because we're a newer farm, it's really important to us to build a solid customer base, and, you know, being able to offer fresh vegetables 52 weeks a year. I mean, that's how you can do it quickly. So I would say the winter markets definitely are evolving. A lot of them are offering pickup. You know, when we go to the farmer's market, we know we've already sold a bunch of produce. I mean, we got it packed up in the customer's bags, and they're just going to pick it up. We don't have any competition this time of year, and we can get top dollar for our products. Being sustainable as a farm, that's not good enough. You know, we need to regenerate the land. We need to add soil, you know, not maintain what's there. I never stop learning. That's what I love about this. I can learn for my whole life, you know. I'm never gonna master this.